Hello and hi everyone. My name is Amirul and my name is Lun Hong, and we are from Machines Tatanan Palawan, Melaka. So today we are going to show you 3 tips and tricks on MacBook for a beginner.
So, first tip is how to use the trackpad. By using the trackpad, you can slide 2 fingers up and down to scroll. You also can use Smart Zoom by double tap with 2 fingers on the trackpad to zoom in and double tap back to zoom out.
Next, we're going to show you a very cool feature called Mission Control. This is a very useful feature, especially when multitasking. So on the desktop screen, we can simply swipe out on the trackpad with 3 or 4 fingers, depends on your system preference, to have a bird's eye view of all our apps that we are currently running. Then, you can move your cursor to the top right corner and add in more desktop. So now you can rearrange all your apps to different desktop for a clean and neat view. This is also allow you to switch between apps more easier by swiping the trackpad left and right.
Last but not least, we are going to show you how to take a screenshot, either the entire screen or portion of the screen. To take the screenshot of the entire screen, you need to press and hold Command Shift 3. Then your screenshot will be saved to your desktop. For the portion of the screen, you can just hit and hold Command Shift 4 on the keyboard. Then select the part that you want to take. It also will be saved to your desktop.
There's a lot of cool features on MacBook that we probably miss out. But don't worry, you can stay tuned on this channel. We will show you another tricks on another day later. I'm Amirul.
I'm Lun Hong. We are from Machines Tatanan Palawan, Melaka. So see you soon
And stay safe.